All right. I got the new fuel pump in behind the driver's side. That's over on the passenger side rear. Driver's side rear. So you can see the new pump is in there. Got a little stuff inside. So as you can see I got a string right here. That's where I pulled it in. When I put that one in, I use a string and attach it to the old holes before I pull it out, so that way I can pull the new one back through. You know, set the pump inside, then you kind of fish the hose back inside, across this way. The same as for this right here. I gotta put this down in there and pull it across over there so I can attach it to the bottom part of that unit right there. That vertical piece that's sticking down. Let's see the horizontal. I got an H on that to let me know that because I pulled it all out. So they're the only things I have to remember, because they only gonna fit where they're gonna fit, but you want to make sure you get everything where you want it at before you do that. And you see how that one is, because you got a small end, a large end and a smaller end, or a medium size nipple. Large nipple, medium nipple, or small nipple. Same as that over there. Large horizontal nipple and a vertical nipple. This right here goes on a vertical nipple right there. So yeah, let me fish this on through, so I can attach it all up, put it back down in there, turn it over. All right, peace out. That's how you do a fuel pump. Dual fuel pump on these shitty ass what's this cayenne Porsche. I said shitty because I don't like working on. I hate these cars, but I will work on them. And, hey, customers, bring them to me. I'll work on it. It don't matter. Volvo, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, helicopter. Peace out.